Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Amazon affiliate link on YouTube. So first step you need to do is to open Amazon, and let's suppose I want to recommend a laptop to my subscriber on YouTube. So I'm going to search for the laptop, and this one I think looks good. So I need to click on that, and I want my audience to buy this laptop for their projects. And then here you can see Amazon Associate Site Stripe. Then you need to click on this text, or you can click on link and wait for few seconds here, and after that here you can see that short link and full link. So for YouTube, short link work best, so you simply need to copy that, and then you need to go on to your YouTube channel, click on content, and go on to the video. And let's suppose I want to promote this product in this video. So here I can add, get this laptop to work to edit videos fast, and here you need to add the link, and after that you need to click on save. So this is the process how you can add Amazon affiliate link on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.